Originally, I am from Pakistan, but I moved to United States, for my internal medicine training. I did my internal medicine training in Marshall University in Huntington, West Virginia, and then I stayed for a fellowship in hematology and oncology at Marshall as well. Then I relocated to start my practice at King's Daughter as an oncologist and hematologist. So I practice both in Ashland and Portsmouth. I just like being here. There are a lot of outdoor activities that you could do here. The patients here, I really like to take care of them. They are very thankful for what you do for them. So when I was looking for to start working, I really preferred that I could just stay in this area and take care of the patients. Well, the reason I chose oncology was during my internal medicine training, uh, I took care of some cancer patients, and I just felt the taking care of them was a very rewarding experience. I think that the diagnosis of cancer is really a life-changing event, and just to be one of the person who is there to help the patients during this time, I just feel it's very honorable experience for me. When you take care of the cancer patients, you not only build a relationship with them, but you also build a relationship with their families. Here at King's Daughters, we have a comprehensive surgical and imaging services. So definitely we have tumor boards as well. So we discuss the patients in our conferences. So you have to involve like a pathologist, a radiologist, and a surgeon, and then you have to discuss the case with them and get their thoughts on the case. It just kind of helps you making a better decision for the patient. When you start a patient on a treatment and you have a good outcome, that is the best thing about the job. I want my patients to know that I'm always available for help. Whenever they have questions, they can reach out to me.